Bye bye Porsche. Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm selling my Porsche 911. Stay tuned. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. It's dead easy. Look, it's simple. All you need to do is bring up my channel like that, hit that subscribe button there, turn on your notifications, and you are then subscribed. And if you do enjoy it, then please give me that thumbs up. It all helps with the YouTube statistics. And don't forget to follow me on Fun to Drive Cars. I'll put the link down there for sneak previews of upcoming videos. Let's go. So here we go. I'm going to pull this car out of the garage now for the very last time on this channel. You won't see this car again because somebody is coming down here to take it away and give me the money to allow me to go get my next vehicle, which you've already seen information about in my previous video of why I'm selling this one. But first, cold start. So here we go then, I've got the car at the garage now, it's all ready, we're just waiting for the buyer to appear. I'll give it a quick flick over, it's a bit dusty, but it's not dirty, I'm not going to wash it. And then just wait for him to come and hopefully hand over the cash and you can drive this away. So we had the buyers outside now, we're just doing a quick check up on the car, checking some other bits. And then hopefully he's just organising the transfer of the funds and the car could be gone. The car is all loaded up now, ready to be driven off and leave my house, not mine anymore. So there she goes, driving off the street. Bye bye Porsche. Oh, I hope I've done the right thing. Ah well, too late now if I haven't. So there we have it, my 911 has now gone and I've now got an empty garage, but not for long. Stay tuned to the channel because my next video will be me going to pick up my new Mustang GT. Thanks for watching, and if you did enjoy this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn those notifications on. And if you enjoyed this particular video, give me the thumbs up, it all helps on YouTube. And don't forget to follow me on Fun to Drive Cars. I'll put the link up down there where you get advance notice of upcoming videos. Till the next video when I'm picking up my new car, stay safe.